How to create an editable news template on Google Docs. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser. And now click on the apps icon and head over to Google Docs. Or you could just type in docs.google.com and click on a blank document to create a new document. From here, to create a newspaper template, you're going to have to add your paragraphs in columns. But let's just head over to Format and then click on Columns. And I'm going to add 3 columns for now. Once you do that, just go ahead and paste your text. As you can see, I've pasted my text here. Now select all of your text, and then from here, you can press Ctrl A to select all and justify your text. So once you have done that, change your text font to something that's normal. So let's just go ahead and choose a text. I'm just going to choose Georgia. And once you've chosen your text, let's just now decrease the size of the gaps between the columns. So I'm just going to select all. I'm going to edit the margins first. Let's head over to File, go to Page Setup. And let's just set all of the margins to 1. And once you've done that, click on OK. Now go to Format, and then from here, simply head over to Columns, More Options, and then you can choose your spacing. So number of columns is 3. Here on the spacing between columns, you can change it. It's on inches, so I'm just gonna write something like 0.2. Or if you have it in centimeters, you can put something like 0.8 centimeters. So now the gap between the columns has been changed. The margin is also 1 inch. So I'm just going to go to File, go to Page Setup. Here it's set to 1 inches. So I'm just going to set this to 0.5. And I'm going to do the same thing for everyone. So I'm going to set this to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and then tap on OK. Now the margin has been moved, so I'm just going to paste a bit more text here. All right, so once that is done, the next step is to add a header. So double click on the top of your page, and then a header will appear. Now just paste the title. So let's just go ahead and add our title. Now once that is done, just select this, bring it to the center, and then increase its size. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it a bit bigger. Now we're going to change its font. So let's just make it Georgia as well. And right below this, you can add your date. So let's just add. Now, once you've added your date, you can make it smaller. Now, once you have done that, you could just go ahead and change its font and its style. I'm just going to make it italic. All right, so there's one more thing missing here. So what we are going to do here is add some pictures. So go to Insert. I'm going to go to Image from my computer. I'm going to head over to Pictures. So here are some of the pictures that I've added. So let's just choose all of them and click on Open. Now, usually they will be a text wrapped to through. So if not, you could just text wrap it to through. Click on Wrap Text. And once that is done, you can add your images just like so. So I'm going to move this one to this part of the screen. I'm going to bring it down a middle. So once you do that, once your images has been added, simply go ahead and now you can just save the document, and now you have a newspaper style format. You could also add a horizontal line here. So let's just click here and then go to Insert. And let's just add a horizontal line like this. Let's come out of our header. And there you go. There you have your newspaper format. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.